Arsenal catch it. And come on be eba. And now Arsenal lose 2 goals to nil. And until now the conversation yes you have here for about 2-3 months and they say Arsenal needs any attackers.
Okay.
And how many striker hunter. My man making it clear said to me, per where I sit, the worst ever Arsenal attack this generation.
Okay.
Theo, per where I sit, any mimi observations. I said these attackers, Arsenal attackers, we hunter nipa meti me ayi na free mu ye abrante friend Bukayo Saka. You take Bukayo Saka out, the rest hunter, they are the worst in Arsenal's history.
Okay.
I'll prove that to you, hunter. The days of Thierry Henry, the days of even Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, the days of Ruben van Persie, hunter. Look at those kind of players.
Sanchez,
Alexis Sanchez, and then you look at the days of Kai Havertz. Look at the days of Gabriel Martinelli, Gabriel Jesus. Hunter, now conversation here. On him say, Liga ya boss see ya 22 matches ekwe. Okay, can Arsenal start attackers when you aboma on goals contribution in 40.
Okay.
Omu nyina o, enye ba akope. Omu nyina Kai Havertz ekita 21 games, 9 goals and wetimi ahye. Wa make 3 assists. Gabriel Jesus the injuries are hane kakra.
Okay.
Eti betimi am na sa kind of excuse ni kakra, but even though Hunter, he is a center forward. Eti Gabriel Jesus in 17 games was only 3 goals. Gabriel Martinelli Enzo Ekita 22 games, 6 goals, 3 assists. Eti amongst these attackers, only Bukayo Saka and the goals contribution higher. Eti Bukayo Saka to even think say Bukayo Saka is not a center forward, Hunter. Then you have to also think, say no, then these players they are not helping. And Hunter, Amba Akan has several times. Mr. can say almost all the Premier League clubs, almost League, Hunter, they had top strikers.
Okay.
Manchester United wanted to Abrante Wayne Rooney. Chelsea, time Omoje League, Hunter, they had Didier Drogba at a point. They had Diogo Costa at a point. City Beijing for the past 4 years. Aguero Abafam, Ellen Haaland, Gusu.
But I'll tell you,
Hunter, Liverpool won the league whilst they were having Luis Suarez. Now Fena, Nunes, Mosha, say fit in. And Hunter, you look at all these things and you realize now Arsenal is doing something wrong. Hunter, how do you compete for the league? Ukita Obiti said Kai Havertz. Hunter, Kai Havertz, unless you don't know Kai Havertz, okay. Technically a very gifted player.
Okay.
But Kai Havertz is not a number 9. Kai Havertz a success by Overhaul in Hunter. He was playing behind a striker.
Okay.
And he was scoring. He has that potential of scoring goals, but on a striker. Bukayo Saka is not a striker, and even he's injured for the rest of the season.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Martinelli is also injured as we speak.
Yeah.
Gabriel Jesus cannot be trusted.
And also Krakopra now.
The only surviving center forward now for Arsenal is Kai Havertz.
Ultimate J League, man.
It's not a conversation that every Arsenal airban said they want to do attackers overhauling. June now in target, Lautaro Martinez and Benjamin Sesko.
Martinez say almost 100 million a year euros. Area Kofara Martinez.
Lautaro Xavier Martinez and Benjamin Sesko. Hunter. Now, Mami and single out Lautaro Martinez. Okay. Lautaro Martinez is the kind of striker all the top clubs in Europe. Yeah. Sir Arsenal any striker bia na say Omanidas one Lautaro Martinez they are looking at a very good choice.
Okay.
Hunter, Lautaro Martinez I guarantee say every season about 20 plus goals contribution.
Okay.
Lautaro Martinez or joining Inter Milan since 2018 2019-2020 the second season or making 17 goals and assists 2020-2021 or make it 23 goals and assists.
Okay.
22 Obama 24 goals and assists. 2023-2024 27 goals and assists. 2023-24 27 goals and assists. Hunter Menoka say 9 goals 3 assists. Eti Lautaro Martinez one of those kind of strikers say Arsenal here Hunter. Make me say about 90% of strikers problems in is solved. But say by Inter Milan be Jeremy problem. But say tempty Inter Milan with 100 million plus they will release this guy.
Okay.
Because it's about money. Lautaro Martinez have been at Inter Milan since 2018.
Yeah.
Wabuache, and the success now came with Inter Milan. And at a point in time, say Inter Milan, every leaving that kind of bid now, they will allow the boy to go.
Okay.
Stan Kroenke on, I hardly say almost all his car to play a bit.
Okay.
And now Declan Rice on Anta. Oh, share Declan Rice and Garobe. And you will be sad for Declan Rice about £150 million Akofano. It is the Arsenal 4 years already said they want to break the bank for Lautaro Martinez, and yet the right choice because you can't rely on Kai Havertz. Oh, the upper Arsenal phone to we are seeing midfielders, you know, or to we are seeing defenders, ni goalkeepers, you know, Hunter. They will still not be able to win the league. They can't compete. What is the conversation they be a kind of Chelsea? You can't say Chelsea they cannot compete because they don't have a top striker. You don't have a striker over team amount 20 plus goals a season. Havertz cannot do that. Bukayo Saka aye wing God put the amount or no crowns not was pra Gabriel Jesus a pra Martinelli pra nra. It is here Arsenal ne or nanta unless you force Havertz na man bought the whole season.
Okay.
So Arsenal for some of the money about Lautaro Martinez say someone they choco they will pay 100 plus for him. Benjamin Sesko is also at one corner. Benjamin Sesko a young striker.
Okay.
Ah, also kita potentials. But maybe who say Hunter with Arsenal ambitions of trying to win the league and compete and win maybe a Champions League. No? You don't need Benjamin Sesko for now. Maybe you as a backup to Lautaro Martinez. Equip your attacking options with Lautaro Martinez and Benjamin Sesko. You have Bukayo Saka. You are good to go. Okay. And the answer, Arsenal for choice. No.